So today I would like to show you a bit more about equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions take up the same space, but they are divided differently. So here we start with the whole, 1, and I'm going to take a half of that. So here's the half. This is a half. We all know this is a half. There are lots of other ways to demonstrate that you have a half. For example, this is a quarter and this is a quarter. And we see that 2 quarters will give you a half. They take up the same amount of space, but they are divided differently. They take up the same amount of space, but they're divided differently. See, it fits exactly over that. It's exactly half, 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 right? Here we have half a pie, and it's divided into sixths. So there's 1/6, 2/6, 3/6. So you know that 3/6 is equal to a half. You know 3/6 is equal to a half. Here we have eighths. We have some eighths. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 over 8 will give you 1. So we know that 4 over 8 will give you a half. Same as the half, it's just divided differently. Think of a pizza or a round cake or something you're sharing with 3 friends. So, and you're only allowed to have half of it. Your mom takes the other half for later. So she says you and your 3 friends can have half the cake. So each you get a quarter. Sorry, you get an eighth. And each friend gets an eighth. Well, remember, this is a half. If this was the whole, see, if you had a whole cake to divide, then if you had a whole cake, each person would be getting a quarter. But you only have half a cake. So each person is getting 1/8 of the whole. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have tenths. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We see that 5/10 is the same as 5/10 is the same as a half. There we go. So 5/10 is the same as a half. Now we have 12ths. This is a 12th. This is 1/12. But we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 6 of them. So 6/12 is the same as a half. If you were to take the whole, put the half, I want you to be fully convinced that this is equivalent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lovely. Is equal to a half. 6/12 is equal to a half. This will make it easy for you when we get to the point where we are doing calculations to find out equivalent fractions. Use pictures for amounts that are simple and knowable, so that when you get to stranger combinations, like maybe they'll give you 3/11 plus 1/5, you will know how to add those properly. So what we're going to do next is we are going to do mathematical proofs for the pictures that we just saw. Stay tuned.